Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is awake and unlocked. Make sure battery is above 10% so settings apply. Swipe down from the top edge to reveal quick settings on Android or Control Center on iPhone. Once visible, scan for the plane icon labeled Airplane Mode. Tapping it toggles connectivity. You do this first so radios can be re-enabled cleanly. If you see a highlighted plane, you're ready for the next step. Now you tap the Airplane Mode icon to turn it off. You should see the highlight disappear immediately. Once done, give the device 5 to 10 seconds so cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios can re-establish connections. Make sure to open Settings, then Connections or Network to confirm signal bars and available Wi-Fi networks. If Wi-Fi was off, you may need to toggle it back on. This step ensures both voice and data pathways are restored properly. To finish, verify calls, texts, and internet work by opening a browser or calling voicemail. Once confirmed, you're done. If networks don't return, restart the phone to force radio reinitialization and then recheck settings. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth individually if only one service failed. If problems persist, confirm carrier outages or that you're no longer in an airplane. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart before deeper resets because it clears temporary radio glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.